gentlemen, boys and girls, you're all very welcome to Dublin. The time is 5 minutes to 4. For your comfort, but more especially for your safety, we would ask that you do remain in your seats with your seatbelt fastened until the plane has stopped moving and the captain has switched off the overhead seatbelt sign. Please do take particular care when opening the overhead bins, as items may well have moved around in flight and could fall out, causing injury to either yourself or a fellow passenger. We would also like to remind you to check the seat pocket around and area around your seat for all personal belongings before leaving the aircraft. And on behalf of Captain Kine and especially the crew this afternoon, we do hope you've enjoyed your flight. We look forward to seeing you on board again very soon. And thank you for choosing Aer Lingus. Gur mága bhcúide, faoitáiste Aer Lingus inniu, Fosúlaing go mbeidh Taras Deascagh. Slán agus Banacliv. Good afternoon and thank you, and a safe onward journey to you all. And ladies and gentlemen, as the captain said at the start of the flight, we have made ground staff aware that we have a number of passengers travelling onwards to Boston and to Chicago, so they will be aware of you and will be waiting at the top of the air bridge. Many thanks.
Aware of us, but not doing it.